guys, welcome to Summer to Part. Today's video is a test video for the accessories for Land Cruiser.
The rest of my life gon' start today.
Modification the parts, and we are developing the new carbon fiber parts and the exterior and interior parts for Land Cruiser Prado 250. And today I'm going to test some parts which is available on eBay, on Amazon, for you guys reference how's the quality, and before you buy it you can check the videos for reference. These are parts we saw in the market which is already available online, and most of them is ABS and the plastic parts. So first of all, let's introduce the engine cover. This for the engine, and we can open the bonnet and put the covers to protect our engine. But one more question for the engine cover: if you go off-road, when engine gets so hot, it's not easy for you guys to cooling the engine. So let's see that if the one is going well or not. And in the past year, the chrome parts is so popular for the SUV car and off-road cars. But this year, when the Land Cruiser coming, the chrome parts looks so glossy, and we can find we use chrome side mirror caps and also the chrome tail lamp cover. So that one is already selling on eBay, but I'm not sure if customers like it or not. So today's video I will test it on the car to compare how's the look. I found some smoky parts which is stick on the door handle to protect the door handle. So I'm wondering that if this will cut my fingers or not, but it's not looks horrible because the original car handle it's a gloss black. I don't know why people make the plastic cover for the tank, but it's easy to stick on, and I don't think the gloss black is matched for the white car, but if the car is dark color, so this one will be looks fine. And there's come the sticker on the back side, so you can fix by yourself.